Hi, thanks for joining me today for the session Classic Database Development Mistakes and 5 Ways to Overcome Them. My name is Scott Walls. I'm with Embarcadero Technologies. I'm a Senior Director of Product Management here, focusing on our database gear products. Let's take a look first at our agenda, what we're going to cover today. First, we're going to take a look at some classic database development mistakes and steps to overcome those mistakes, and then have some time at the end for some questions. So let's take a look at some of the mistakes that I've encountered in speaking with our customers that we can certainly relate to. Rows returned equals success. My query's fast, right? How can you beat that? My query is just smoking. And then my query does a lot. Come on, what more do you want from my query? So we'll go ahead and dive into these a little bit more details. So first, rows returned equals success. What am I talking about here? Well, a lot of times in a test environment, we have the ability to go in there and write our queries, right? And if you're fortunate enough to have an environment where you have a fully loaded test environment with data similar to the loads and the volume that you're going to see in production, consider yourself lucky. Most of the time, we're working with a data set that's a fraction of what we're going to see in production. Oftentimes, if you're on those projects that are starting from the ground up, you're going to see data, very limited number of data. So when you're writing these queries, right, you're going to see some the rows coming back. You know, hey, I've got it, right? We're good to go. When I'm seeing, take a look there, look at the first 100 rows. Yeah, things are going good. But we have to worry about what's underlying that, right? What's really coming back.